Give us the hiccup burps like you were. Thank you, Anti. Anti will laugh really hard. Oh, you poor toad. I'll show you how. Look how cute you are. Sitting on top of the counter. Not very safely. That's a good one. Oh, poor girl. Oh, poor girlie. How are you? Are we gonna have some rice? Yes, we are. We're gonna have a good feed, aren't we? We're not very good at this yet, are we? But we're getting better. Yes, we are. You and me together. We can do anything, baby. That's right.